Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to fold and draw an exploding firework. So first, let's fold it in half. And then let's fold one side up from there and on the other side up. So now we have an open and close. So we're going to work on the firework first. So first draw a kind of like a rectangle and just have a bump over the other. It's kind of a bump over this one, but try and make it connect pretty well, because it will be opening and closing like this. So, and then let's draw kind of like a triangle on the top of it, so it looks kind of like an arrow pointing up. And then let's draw like a squiggly line coming out from it, and then another one right below it, with it connecting with a line. And then we're going to draw we're going to have some detail on it. So let's draw like some curving stripes, kind of, to make but you don't have to do this exact pattern or a pattern at all. I would recommend doing a pattern. And I'm going to color this before we get to work on the fireworks inside. So I'm going to be using a black for the fuse, and for the fuse down here, and a red for some of the stripes in the top. And I am going to be outlining it, so let's get started. Okay. And this is how mine looks. You can use any color you want. But now let's get started on the fireworks. You actually won't need a pencil or something to outline it. We're just going to use some colors. So open it up and kind of lay it down flat. I find that it makes it easier to draw on this flat. And I'm going to be doing so choose 3 different colors. Well, and about around the same shade, and do one ring of the darkest color you got around with little markings like this. And then do another ring with the second darkest color inside of it. Might be hard to see the difference, but I am using red on the outside, a red orange on this part, and a orange on the inside. And then if you want to do another one with a different color, again, just choose the darkest color, do it around it, or you could do the lightest to darkest, but I seem to find that doing the darkest to lightest looks best for me. And it doesn't have to be in a circle, it can be like in a fancy design or something. But I'm just doing it like this. So I'm going to fast forward this, but I'm going to make a lot more. And it's hard to see it, but I did a happy 4th of July here. And I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Have a good 4th of July.